And today we are gonna try to get the legendary chest 405 gold. Imagine, bro, imagine. So I played this game. So this is our boat, comrade. And now we will save it. I'm gonna name this Big Machine. Save. No. Our big machine. No, whatever, just go. Our big machine is now going. Made that happen as soon as I was saying. Come on, man. Oh no. The train. The candy train. Somehow we didn't get run over and get rushed upon. So we're safe. Ooh, what is gonna be? Oh, again. Oh, something's wrong. I repeat. Our engine might break any time. Ah! Help me! No, why am I making this happen? Nah, no. Why? Oh my god, this stupid thing! Oh, thank god, bro. I somehow... Ah! Who made this, bro? I'm constantly hitting stuff every 2 seconds. No. We died again. We died. But I didn't. You may be asking how. Well, I don't know why this shows up but anyways. We can just go and get our big machine. Yeah, load it. Wait, one, two, loading it. Ah! We're gonna make this again. And we're gonna make this better. And the thing is, I'm trying to make this like my first mega boat. Our first mega boat. Which is gonna get destroyed, but we're still doing it. So I can get subscribers. Next we're gonna place some titanium right here. One row done. See, this is perfectly fine. Our first boat with a door on sale. Okay, so we already have some pieces falling off, but that does not matter. We are gonna go there and rocket. We're gonna go like a rocket and rocket. Yes, sir. Okay, so we're gonna first try to avoid whatever that is. And also the rocks, we can't forget the rocks. Let's just avoid them. Some man is being drowned and dying right there. Let's just forget about that. That's pretty creepy. I don't wanna touch that monster. It is gonna go like this. Just like this. It is gonna avoid the lame eyes. But right on this. It will be D-Day. The D-Day landing worse. It will be much worse. Trust me. My friend, it will be much worse. Next we have to avoid these. Quickly go before the train crushes us. And while also avoiding all of this. Oh no! Mayday! Wait, never mind. I think we can go like this. This is fine. It is gonna go like this on a flip boat. You should be fine. Honestly, I don't see any problem with this. Our boat is doing completely fine. Yeah. Everything's correct. Anyways, let's see. Can we get past these? I'm sure not. Wait till the end to see if we can pass this. Oh no. Lightning striking wherever we go. Our defenses are going down. I repeat. Wait, what's this? Oh no! What? Am I riding a boat on sand? What am I doing? Oh my God! Don't worry, you'll survive, comrade. TVS, you'll survive. Oh no. My boot is red. I don't like red doors. Never had a passion for them. But I think some random guy here does. I don't know who, but this is hard, bro. Okay, the final stage. Let's see this. Come on. No, we were so close. Just there and we would have won. No. Well, guys, we couldn't actually get the epic raid, but still, we'll do it tomorrow. Come back another time. See ya. Bye.